airplane I'll be flying today is my dear Diamond DA-20 two-seater. Just completed the pre-flight, and I've installed the Insta360-1R here. It's going to film me, and then on my headset I have my contraption, which I designed in 3D and printed, which is the attachment point using the spare cover area. And somebody suggested in my comments that I try a different camera because I had that good results with the Garmin Verb. It's an older camera, and maybe the stabilizer wasn't that good. So anyway, I'm going to start with a much more modern camera and 360. So this camera hopefully will do the trick.
Area, front contact, Echo 17500 Zulu, 11408, visibility 10.
My line of sight is clear. It doesn't interfere too much with my right eye. I can see the camera. If it becomes a problem, I can lower it, but if it's not at my eye level, kind of, you won't get a good view of the dash, so I think we're good.
Okay, so hopefully you can hear me, and I'll just check my camera just to make sure that the volume is indicating.
Ground, good afternoon. Experimental 117 Juliet Romeo at the North Hangars with Echo.
Looks like everything's working right.
Southbound departure.
Double Eagle ground, November 641 Delta Charlie, north ramp with Echo. Request local flight northwest, practice area 7500.
Number 641 Delta Charlie, Double Eagle ground, taxi run at VF 1.
All right, run out checklist. Controls, frig correct. Autopilot, there is none. Brakes, hold, mixture, check full.
Double Eagle ground,
1700.
117 Juliet Romeo. Run up complete and the holding down Alpha 1, ready for taxi to the active.
All right, let's switch to tower. Oh, I was already on tower. Change radio.
November 7 Juliet Romeo, free change approved 123.9. Flight following, see ya. Please change approved, see ya, 117 Juliet Romeo.
Double Eagle Tower, November 641 Delta Charlie, holding short of 22 Alpha 1 is ready for departure.
November 641 Delta Charlie, Double Eagle Tower, make right turn out, northwest, runway 22, wind 250 gust 18, correction, gust 15, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 2, right turn towards the west, 641 Delta Charlie. All right. Trying to be more precise in my communications. I don't fly enough, so communications is always the most challenging thing for me. Hopefully by making these YouTube videos, that'll help me get over that. Maybe I can express myself more clearly. All right, let's close this little window. And here we go. Full power. Airspeed is alive. 44, rotate. .58 climb, here we go. Wind from the right. An eye on the airspeed. Nice thermal. So this is just a test flight of the audio and using a Insta360 X2 camera on a headset to see if this gives a nice POV type of view. I guess point of view is the term that people use, like on these YouTube videos where we have motorcyclists filming their adventures. Woohoo! Nice and bumpy. Normal turbulence. Minus 7,500. We don't need to go much higher than that. Albuquerque approach, November 641 Delta Delta Charlie, Diamond DA-20 with you at 7500, just departed several yield towards the northwest.
Over 641 Delta Charlie Albuquerque departure, did you want flight following?
Yes please, I'm just going to stay in the northwest practice area.
November 1 Delta Charlie Squawk 0434.
Constantly looking for traffic. People don't necessarily have ADS-B out here. Nice mesa. Nice and flat up there. With some nice prairies. All right. So the wind seems to be coming from the northwest. Ooh, there we go, there's some lumpiness. Yep, getting a bit turbulent. Probably because I'm behind the wind. I probably should have made my turn in front of the
Cat 3099, I'm going to put you on heading, keep you clear of the departure corridor, traffic departing off the runway 8 and Embraer. No further right. 10 heading.
So what do you think? Kind of cool? You can hike it if you want.
Cat 3099, go ahead and make that left turn back to 210.
There's parking there.
Left turn 210, Cat 3099.
I think there's parking somewhere at the base. You take a trail or dirt road to get there, and then you can hike to the top. Here's another thermal coming. I can feel it. You do the fence type of flying, you can feel a lot more from your butt, your breath.